Today is bank holiday weekend and the sun is shining, so I'm going to spend my day getting in the car, walking around IKEA and organising my flat. But basically I've had the urge to completely organise my kitchen. It is an absolute mess. I've been watching a lot of those kind of cleaning, organising videos on TikTok and Facebook, and I've realised that mine's a bit of a mess and I need to sort it out. So I'm gonna go and have a look on IKEA, see what I can get. Mainly just my kitchen today, but I'm just hoping to get a few things maybe to put on the countertops, organisers, because it just looks messy, and sort out all my drawers. So like my dry food drawers, I've seen a load of videos on TikTok and like Instagram and Facebook of like organising your fridge. I'm not sure if I'm that person just yet, but we're gonna go see what we can get and see if I can start being that person. Take you along with me and I'll show you what I get afterwards. So we are back and it is so hot today. I spent £52 in total and I think I got some really good things. I got 3 of these kind of just boxes. It's quite boring. They could be great for kind of tea bags, just sort of like a tea bag kind of drawer, or I was thinking to put crisps or chocolate or kind of my rice bags or whatever in there. And they were like £2.50 or £3, so not bad. I then got these, which is some kind of oil and balsamic vinegar kind of set, but I thought it would be really good to get my olive oil in there because currently it's just in its normal package. I think this was £6. Again, I think it's the cheapest I've seen something like this for. And it's got a little holder in it as well, so that'd be really nice. Then these glassware. And there was loads of different sizes, so I got 2 of these kind of long sizes. I'm going to use them for things like pasta, flour, coffee maybe. The wood's nice, I think, and it'll look nice in my drawers. Could even have them on a shelf. I did see that they kind of had those kind of floating shelves. I think they're literally like £9 that you can buy from IKEA, and you can kind of put them on with a nice little label or something, so they'd be nice to kind of be on show. Those are £2 each. Might be a bit more for the bigger ones, but I'm sure the smaller ones are £2. There was loads of these, and there was loads of taller ones and smaller ones. I think this is literally only £1 or £1.50, and this would be great for kind of porridge, granola. Or I was even thinking you could dress it up and have it as a little candle. Maybe you could fill it with a candle or put like a candle in there. And there was loads and loads of really nice vases. And yes, they were quite inexpensive compared to prices I've seen. There were some really nice kind of ceramic ones that I've seen in H&M Home, but they were about like £12, whereas the ones in IKEA were £4.50. But this one I think was only £3, and it's just simple glass. And I already have some dried flowers that I think I'm going to put in here. In IKEA, they had this kind of blossom room, and it was so cool, and you could pick all your dried flowers. Because I had some at home already, I thought, well, I don't need to get that. But I just got a cute little vase, so that'd be great. I didn't need one for my kitchen. It was just this small little bin, but again, it was £1. And I just thought that would be so useful for anything, even if it is just storage for kind of like slippers or whatever. And I'll always use these. I'm trying to recycle more, so even if I use it as a second recycling bin, that'd be good. For a quid, you can't go wrong. Cutlery organiser. This is going to save my life. I already have one, but it's a smaller one. It's like half the size, and I feel like the drawer's so big, and I have some kind of trinkets and keys and pennies or whatever, that this section would be really helpful, or kind of cookery books. This is a doormat. And there was some really nice doormats. There was a rainbow one, there was some cute little kind of colourful patterns on them. There was some just kind of etched patterns on them. There was a welcome one that I picked up first, but the welcome one was £6. I mean, I still think that's a bargain for a doormat, and they're pretty thick. So for £3.50, I just think perfect. And this was £5. I haven't got kind of a fruit bowl, and my actual dining table is quite small, and that would look really nice on it. Maybe a bit of candle on the top, or just some kind of fruit or whatever. These little tumblers, I think that's so cool, and they were £1. £1, is it £1.50? Either way, basically a quid for those, and I think they look so nice. You want them out all the time, so I think they'd be really cute. So I just got 2 of those because they were so cheap. And I also got these cute kind of little coffee mugs. I think these are adorable. And they were, again, I think they were literally £1. These kind of little, they're martini glasses. I just think they look so expensive for IKEA and for the material. I just couldn't believe it. So for £2, each, and I still think that's really, that's a bargain. Got about 20 items if you count each glass as individual. £52, and I got some really good stuff, so yeah.